Welcome to Caden's Adventure! Hi guys, today we're opening this new racetrack car that we bought on Amazon!
Okay, so we bought this car from Amazon. It is a Hyper Wheels RC stunt car. It says 6+.
The blue one's my favorite.
And it's blue.
Let's get it out of the box!
So it comes with the battery, and then it comes with the little USB charger piece. Plug it in, charge it. This probably needs some batteries. Let's see what batteries it needs. And then show everyone the car.
This is a car. Look at the wheels, it can flip like that.
Oh, that's cool.
So
it looks like it needs 2 AA batteries.
let's go outside and test this out. We're outside, now we're gonna test this thing out.
Okay, so let me see the car so I could show everyone the car. So this is what it looks like. And then you open this up and you put a battery that looks just like this. They gave us 2, which is neat. So I charged the other one already. So there's a switch on here. There's a switch on the remote that you turn on. We're turning it on. And then there is a switch right here that we are gonna turn on. Okay, let's see. So it goes pretty fast. Does it flip? Let's see it. Okay, so it spins.
This one it's like digging.
So it's lit up, there's red, and then there's green on the one side.
Jake, look at the wheel.
Okay, we ready?
Yeah. It's like a wow.
Wow. That's cool.
See? Go like this. Go like this. Make it do that.
So make it drive, and then, so it actually is pretty good. It goes pretty fast.
Come on.
Oh.
Like this to make it drive forward.
You're gonna make it drive forward? Whoa. Is it chasing you?
Yeah.
Okay, it is rating time for your toy from Amazon. Okay, so Kaden, so you're gonna give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. What do you think? Do you think this is a good toy? You like it? Yeah, I think it's a pretty good toy. And I like the fact that you get an extra battery.
1, 2, 3. Bye YouTube, thanks